What's going on, you guys? And as you guys can tell, we are outside today, and we're actually going to be replacing the bulbs on the AC control or HVAC control module that's located right where the radio is. We're going to go ahead and we're going to change the light bulbs. I'm not going to install LEDs. I do have LEDs inside. When you open the door, you got LED lights shining bright above, but I'm not going to change the bulbs on the actual module, where you control the heating knobs. I'm not going to change those bulbs to LED. I'm not going to go crazy. I just want to change one of them. One of them is burnt out, so we're just going to go ahead and we're going to change those lights. Whichever one is burnt out, just one. I'm going to test it out, see how everything is, and if I need to, I'll go ahead and change the rest of them so I don't have to go back in there again. And then I will be changing the radio on the Jeep SRT8. I have everything, I just haven't had the time to do it. I'm just very busy right now, and it's been taking a lot of my time, so I'm not able to put work into the Jeep just yet. But once I get into some free time, I will. But for right now, we're going to go ahead and we're going to change the LED. We're going to change the bulb that's burnt out on the module, and then we're just going to go from there. So let's get to it, boys. All right, you guys, so we have the module here, and pretty much one of the bulbs in this area is burnt out. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to remove the module from the back here, open it up, and just change the bulb here, slap it back on, and that's it. It's going to be a simple install. Yes, I've seen guys put LEDs in here, but I'm not going to go crazy and put LEDs in here. What I might do is actually install I might actually remove this from here and actually install one that allows for the USB to plug in instead of having to plug my whatever you call it, the cigarette lighter adapter to USB. I might actually change this out and get rid of this thing here. So we'll see how it goes, and yeah, pretty much just go from there. So we'll see how everything goes, guys. The main point is just to change the light on this unit here because one of the bulbs is burnt out. So let's get to it. All right, you guys, so as you guys can tell, you have the bulbs here or the circuit board with the light bulbs here. We have the new ones here. They're actually white in color, no big deal. And then what you're gonna do is with your soldering iron, you're just gonna go right in this corner here, and you're just gonna touch it with your hot iron solder, and you're just gonna melt it a bit to where you can release these, and then you can just press out the bulbs. So I'll show you guys how to do it. It's pretty simple. Hopefully these fit, and then we'll just go from there. Alright you guys, so as you guys can tell, we installed the light bulb. Now they do come clear like this. This is the old one. The wire connecting these two components within the light bulb has split itself, or is broken in that side, on that side of the light bulb. Where the hell are the rest? Okay, here you go you guys. So they do come like this. There's like multiple, I think there's 10 in here. I'm just gonna replace the one that's not working properly. I did put the blue cover back on it. No, they do not come as blue bulbs, they come as clear bulbs, but I did put the blue cover back on as much as possible. It did get ripped in certain parts, but I felt like I needed to put it back on, because I'm sure there's a reason why they have this cover here, so it doesn't, I guess, melt or heat up any of the other plastic parts in front of it or whatever around it. So we put it on, and then we use the flathead screwdriver to just gently press the wire into the groove here on the side of the actual piece right here. We're gonna actually solder this on, and I'm gonna test the board out to make sure that that was the light bulb that was burnt out and we don't have any other issues. Put everything together and that should solve. This is relatively easy if you know how to solder, you know how to do this. It's not gonna take a long time. You just gotta have some time and some patience to do it. you guys, so I just want to make a note, there's an indentation, so these knobs have to go all the way to the left, and then you'll see here it's got a groove, so the knobs can only go in one way and come out one way. Do not just turn it this way and try to yank it. You're gonna break all this plastic here, and you're gonna be in a big mess. So just like I said, it's got a groove there, just slide it in like that. I'm gonna try to do this one like this. Oh shoot, how do I up? So it's gotta stay like this. You gotta push it down, and then there you go, you guys. So yeah, it's pushed in. Okay, good. So I'll continue the rest, and then you guys will follow along.
Hey, yeah, we going big, going big. We going big, going big. We going big, going big. Don't trip, gotta get it how you live. Hey, yeah, we going big, going big. We going big, going big. We going big, going big. Don't trip, gotta get it how you live. Hey, doing bad, yo, I understand the crash out. Leave them on skates, baby, get your map out. Let it ride, I don't cash out. Seatbelt gang, leave them strapped in the paint, getting back down. They finally let the cat out the bag to get her bag now. Dropping pace buckets, the wings just had to branch out. Hand down, that's a man down. CC shooting shots from the stands now. We never got a hand out. Ain't there no subtle shit. Running, never walking, told them, never mind my government. I don't want no credit, this the first time I discovered it. Who can block my shot? It's nobody, yes, none of them. Seeking competition, have you seen it? Was eating, give a grapevine, talking about arenas. On the beat, you know I Levi, I'm a genius. Y'all be acting dirty and foul, I'm the cleanest. I'm like AI, not ChatGPT, the only answer bringing chaos. In the crowd, watch what I do like a seance. And he told me turn the camera on like, hey ma. Jewels on my neck though. I've been really trying to act right, never left though. Y'all be stealing styles, yeah, it's feeling hella cleft though. I ball #1, yeah, I'm feeling like LaMelo. We gon' big, gon' big. We gon' big, gon' big. We gon' big, gon' big. Don't trip, gotta get it how you live, ayy. Yeah, we gon' big, gon' big. We gon' big, gon' big. We gon' big, gon' big. Don't trip, gotta get it how you live, ayy.
What's going on, you guys? So we just finished, everything works, changed the light bulb, so it's right here in my hand. One of the side of the light bulb, I guess the wiring inside broke, so didn't complete the circuit, so this is blown. So I'm gonna throw this out. It's a small little bulb, but yeah, we changed it for another halogen bulb. I wasn't gonna do LEDs. I'm not gonna go so crazy to install LEDs in the center. HVAC control module unit, because the rest of the car doesn't really have LEDs, you know, like the rest of the switches don't have LEDs. The only place that you see LED lights is up on the console above, and around the doors. When you open it up, you have white LED. That I prefer. I'm not gonna go crazy now, put LED all over the car. I think it's a little overkill, and I just wanted to replace one bulb, so that's what I did. For those who are going to ask, why didn't you just do the whole unit LED? For me, it just didn't make sense, in my opinion. So just stuck with a replacement halogen bulb. It was pretty easy. You know, watch the video while I was doing it. Other than that, you just need to take your time. You got a squirrel driving on by, and you just need to take your time, take it slow. Make sure you remove the trim pieces without messing anything up. That's why I went slow. And at the end, we just replaced it. It was pretty simple, you guys. I do have some other stuff I need to do to the Jeep. You guys will see in the next couple of videos. But other than that, you guys, you know the vibes. I'm out.